I want to take you on a journey with me today to a nearby sanctuary where the natural environment serves as our school and biological science becomes a living language. With its abundance of life and biodiversity, this sanctuary provides an unmatched chance to investigate the intricate relationships between living and non-living things. By using this perspective, we may get a deeper understanding of biological science as a language that explains the complex interactions between living things and their environments. The sanctuary I visited is a dynamic living system rather than merely a collection of natural materials. Wetlands, native plants, and a variety of animal species may be found there. Also, all which are essential to preserving ecological equilibrium. Its characteristics such as robust plant life, nutrient-rich soil, and flowing creek are important for education as well as science. Based on Pello's concepts, this sanctuary urges us to adopt a pedagogy for ecology, which is a method that encourages teachers and students to interact with the environment as co-learners, delving into its secrets and picking up rhythms. The sanctuary's elements, sky, water, soil, plants, and animals emerge as active participants in the ecosystem when we see it as a resource for scientific study. And photosynthesis, which allows plants to produce energy and support life, is fueled up by sunlight that filters through the trees. The creek sustains aquatic habitats and supplies water, which is essential for all living things. With abundance of microorganisms, the soil promotes nutrient cycling, decomposition, and continuation of life. Seeing these connections reveals what Pello refers to as web of relationship that supports natural systems and provides us with an effective and a method of teaching all the water, plant, animals, and have agency that may impart valuable knowledge about sustainability and balance. I witnessed these procedures personally as I strolled around the sanctuary. The stream nearby was a home to a variety of living forms, including birds and water insects that depend on the water supply. These findings support Hogger's focus on integrating indigenous knowledge, specifically the notion that people are a part of a larger ecological system, into STEM and early childhood education. The value of having a physical setting to teach science is further supported by theories of experiential learning. According to Dewey's theory of learning by experience, children learn the best when they actively interact with the surroundings. In a similar vein, Vygotsky's sociocultural theory highlights how social and environmental factors influence education. Children who interact with sanctuary do not only interact with it highlights how social and environmental factors influence education. Children who do interact with sanctuary not only witness scientific occurrences but also take part in the conversations and introspection that broaden their comprehension. The significance of indigenous methods of knowing, which places an emphasis on watching, appreciating, and learning from the natural environment, is highlighted in the Hogger's work. In conclusion, the sanctuary is an effective resource for learning the language of biological research. We learn the delicate balance of life and the systems that support it form its interconnected constituents, which include plant, water, soil, animals, and more. As educators, we can encourage children to appreciate science and respect the nature environment by interacting with these aspects and seeing how they interact. We may cultivate curiosity, critical thinking, and a strong connection to the environment by adopting place-based and indigenous approach to the education, as Pello and Hogger reminded us. Place-based learning transforms science into a living experience rather than just a subject. In addition to teaching us biological knowledge, the sanctuary serves as a reminder of our role in the chain of life and inspires us to preserve and care for the environment that we all share. Thank you.